Hello lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you watch this video. Join me today. Let's make a very delicious and yummy chicken peanut butter soup with some rice bowl. Just check it out. It looks very beautiful and it tastes very good too. Without wasting much time, let's start our soup. I hope you enjoy your own as I enjoyed my own. Thank you. So let's start by frying our peanut butter. So I mixed my peanut butter with some water, then I added my tomato paste. So here is it. I'm mixing both together as you can see it. So here all we want to achieve is to make sure there's some oil on top of our peanut butter here. So we are going to fry this until we see some oil on top, then it is ready to move on with the next step. So I'm just giving it a stir until everything comes together and we see some oil on top. Just check it out, very simple, and you are good to go. So let me use this opportunity to thank all my return subscribers and my return viewers. May God bless you all for always showing some love to my video. Thank you. So check it, after a few minutes we are seeing some oil on top and we are almost done with it. Just check it out, very simple and you are good to go. Just make sure you see some oil on top like this, then your peanut butter is ready to be going into the soup. Yes, so just check it out. Check the oil. I know you are getting what I'm trying to say. So now we are done with our peanut butter. Let's move on with the soup. So I added my chicken, then I moved on by adding my cow towels and some salted beef. Then I added some habanero mix to it, which is habanero pepper, garlic and onion. Then I added some water to help it steam very nicely. So I moved on by adding garlic and ginger and onion powder, some shrimp seasoning cube, and some chicken seasoning powder. Yes. So here is my chicken seasoning powder. Then I gave it a quick stir. So I moved on by adding my vegetables, which is some red bell pepper, some fresh tomatoes, and some onion. I'm cooking it with the steam. Yes, I didn't add any water. So here our vegetables was ready. So I removed all from the soup, as you can see it. Yes. Then I moved on by adding our tomato paste. Here is it. Then I gave it a quick stir, as you can see it. So after adding our tomato paste, then I covered it for it to steam for a few minutes. So after a few minutes, then I added our fried peanut butter. So here is it. Then I added some water to help it cook very well. Just check it out. Everything is on point here. So here is the water. Then I added it to the soup. I gave it a quick stir and I noticed it was small, so I added more water to it. Yes. I added more water to it, so here is it. Then I gave it a quick stir. Then I'll cover this for it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, just check it out. Everything is coming together. So here is the time to add your blended vegetables to your soup. Yes. So I just give it a quick stir, then I added my blended vegetables to it. I rinse in with some of the soup. I didn't rinse in with water. Yes. So let's move on. So I give it a quick stir. Then I cover it for it to cook for another 15 minutes. Yes. So after 15 minutes, just check it out. Everything is coming together gradually. Yes. So I just give it a quick stir. Then I tasted it and I adjusted it with some shrimp seasoning cube and some salt. Yes, as we always do it. So here's the shrimp seasoning cube. Then some salt. Then I give it a quick stir. Then I cover this for the last 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, just check it out. Isn't it beautiful? Just check it out. Everything is looking wow and beautiful, and it tastes very good. So I'll be pairing mine with some rice ball. You can pair yours with anything that you prefer, and you are good to go. Thank you guys for always checking up on my videos. May God bless you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye and stay safe.